In a lush green forest, a sparrow named Sunny and a parrot named Polly lived on neighbor trees. Sunny was small and brown, while Polly was large and colorful with vibrantly green, blue, and red feathers. Despite their differences, they shared a deep friendship. Every day, Sunny would watch and awe as Polly flew gracefully, displaying her magnificent colors, and Polly in turn admired Sunny's agility and resourcefulness in finding food. They would spend hours chatting and exchanging stories, and their friendship growing stronger with each passing day. One sunny morning, a fierce storm hit the forest and shaking the trees and scattering their nest ahead. Sunny and Polly were separated, desperately trying to find shelter all around them. With their determination and teamwork, they managed to build a makeshift nest together, ensuring their safety. During the stormy nights, they comforted themselves with stories and songs and strengthening their bond more stronger. As the storm passed by, the forest began to bloom again, and Sunny and Polly continued their adventures together. Their friendship became an inspiration for all other animals in the forest, teaching them value of acceptance and understanding. So Sunny and Polly's tale spread worldwide and far, reminding everyone that friendship knows no boundaries, even between a small sparrow and a colorful parrot. For more stories like this, you can subscribe, hit like, share, press the bell icon. This is Fantastical Journeys with Aamna.